Let us do the fourth problem. Two quantities are in the ratio 3:5. If the smaller alone is made 4 times the original, what would be the ratio be? Second one, if the smaller is doubled and the larger is halved, what would be the ratio be? Two quantities are in the ratio 3:5. If the smaller alone is made 4 times the original. Okay. If two quantities are in the ratio 3:5, then the quantities are, yes, the first quantity is 3x and second quantity is 5x. And if the first sub-question is, if the smaller alone is made 4 times the original. If the smaller alone is made 4 times the original, what would be the ratio? Okay. In 3x and 5x, which one is smaller? 3x is smaller. If we doubled this smaller one alone, what is the double of 3x? Yes, double of 3x is equal to 6x. Okay, double alone, second smaller one alone is doubled, then the smaller one be 6x. Okay, now what is the ratio? Then there is no change in the second quantity. So now the ratio, yes, first one is to second one is equal to, yes, 6x is to 5x. Okay, so here we can see that x is common. So let us cancel that x. Then the ratio is 6:5. Okay, that is the answer of the first one. Then second one is, if the smaller one is doubled and the larger one is halved, then what would be the ratio? Okay, smaller one is doubled. That means double of 3x. Double of 3x is equal to 6x. Okay, and what about half of 5x? 5x half is equal to 5x by 2. Okay, now we are going to find out the ratio. Okay, what is the ratio between 1:2? Okay, 1:2. See, this one is 6x is to 5x by 2. See, ratios are never written in fractional form. So we need to remove this 2 in the denominator. To remove the denominator 2, we need to multiply with each number in this ratio with this denominator 2. Okay, then what happens? 6x into 2 and here 5x by 2 into 2. Okay, what is 6x into 2? 6x into 2 is equal to 12x and 5x by 2 into 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled. That is equal to 5x. So 12x is to 5x. Then what will be the new ratio? The new ratio is, yes, 12 is to 5. Okay. Now the fifth one. The capacities of two bottles are in the ratio 3:4. Then the smaller bottle was filled twice and the larger bottle was filled and emptied into a vessel. Twice the smaller and half the larger was emptied into other. What is the ratio of the quantities of water in the two vessels? So here we have two vessels. In the first vessel, yes, in the first vessel we emptied first and second. Two vessels are here. Okay, these two are two vessels. First one and the second one. And in the first vessel, the smaller bottle was filled twice and a larger bottle was filled and emptied into a vessel. Okay, so here we have two bottles. Two bottles are in the ratio 3:4. Then what is the capacity of the first bottle? Yes, capacity of first bottle is, yes, capacity of first bottle is equal to, capacity of first bottle is equal to 3x and capacity of second bottle is equal to 4x. Okay, then in this vessel, the first vessel, the smaller bottle was filled twice. Okay, that means 3x 2 times. Okay, the small bottle filled 2 times, and the larger bottle was filled. Okay, that means only one time. 4x into 1. Okay, then and the larger bottle was filled and emptied into the vessel twice the smaller, and half the larger was emptied into other. Okay, twice the smaller. Here in the second one, twice the smaller, that is 2 into 3x, and half the larger, half of 4x is emptied into the second vessel. Now we need to find out the ratio of quantities of water in these two vessels. See here, 3x into 2. What is 3x into 2? 3x into 2 is 6, and 4x plus 1 is 4x. And here 2 into 3 is 6x, and half into 4x is equal to 2x. So in the first bottle, yes, 10x liters, and in the second bottle 8x liters. Now we need to find out the ratio between these two quantities. So the ratio of quantities of water in the vessel, quantities of water in the vessels is equal to, yes, 10x is to 5x, 10x is to 8x. Okay, 10x is to 8x. Then first thing, common thing is x. So let us get that, cancel that x. Then 10 is to 8, and we know that one more common factor is here. See, this is 5 into 2, and this one is 4 into 2. So let's get cancel that 2's. Then we have the ratio 5 is to 4. So this is the answer. Then here we have one more sub question in the fifth question, and there is a sixth question also there in the page number 141. Do these two problems as homework. Okay.